Good afternoon. This is my fourth SR500. This one is a 1978. Apologize for just a second while I put you in the tripod here. Yes, so 1978 SR500. I built this for the Congregation Moto Show, which is coming up in October. I can put a link to that. As you can see, custom tank, high scrambler exhaust, powder-coated frame, powder-coated wheels. Lights have been converted to LED. We've got a custom high fender. I was going to powder coat that, but I like it just raw aluminum. So that's where we're at. The tank is from an XT500. It is aluminum. You'll see here that I had to weld in a new petcock. This is 22 millimeter, which is what some of the Harleys take. I like the brass. We have the engine's gone through completely. It has a 540, so a new top end with a larger piston and rings. Aftermarket Mikuni carburetor. The shocks are YSS. I've used them on a few other builds, and I love them. They feel nice without the Öhlins price tag, but definitely better than some of the low-end solutions you'll find. I actually put the terrible camera work. Put the turn signals here on both sides of the shocks because I kind of wanted to keep this clean. Removable license plate. The front blinkers are down here. Wasn't sure where to put them. Not sold that that's the place for them, but that's what's happening so far. So yeah, modified the subframe, chopped off the rear end, put a hoop, custom fender. Actually used an aluminum 6x6 inch bread box as my battery tray, which worked out pretty well. And then trimmed it up and powder coated that as well. So I will start it up here. The electronics have been converted to a high-end CDI box and regulator rectifier, so I can run LEDs. I'll take it off the center stand there while I bang the camera around. So we have a compression release here that I'll show you. I typically, you can see that, typically just push with the hand until we get back to the window there. Man, this is awful. Let's see. There we are. Might have to edit that a bit. But anyway, so we've got top dead center. We've got that going. I'm gonna bump the air idle mixture down a bit as it warms up. And then do another quick walk around here. Obviously, aftermarket Speedo, remove the tack. Got a mirror. And put it on the kickstand here. The tank art is spectacular. That was done by a buddy of mine here in Asheville that does art full time. Toasty Tuna on Instagram. I can put a link as well on the bottom of the video. The seat cover was done also by a local artist. You can see the turn signals there. Right signal flashing. And we'll do the left there as well, which I think works out. So yeah, I'm sure there's more to this build than what I've said. Obviously, everything had to be stripped and torn apart and cleaned up, but runs nice, sounds nice. And again, this will be at the Congregation Motorcycle Show in Charlotte in October. Bounce around the camera a bit, take it off. Thank you very much for watching, and of course for your support.